Magandang umaga mga pare ko is yung Rigidor here on another vlog. Sorry I was away for a few weeks dahil injury. Time out muna tayo. Injured because of stupid stunt na trinay ko sa bike. So wiki, I had a fractured rib. So yun lang. So for now, no biking muna, more on IT stuff muna tayo. So what we're doing right now will be unboxing a brand new T15 Lenovo Thinkpad T15. Right? So out of the box, mabigat siya. I think it's 15 inches na 15 inches LCD. And it's inside the box is okay. So first, ito muna. This will be the power adapter. So I believe it comes with a Thunderbolt 3 power adapter. Yes, tama. I guess it's 45 watts. 45 watts pa. 65 watts power adapter, Thunderbolt or Lightning. Ano ba Lightning? USB-C. Lightning pala yung sa iPhone with a 3-prong male power connector. Okay. So yan. And aside from that, mga ito setup guide. So this one comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Pro. I don't know kung anong version, probably it's 1909. Pero when this video is being filmed, it's March 2020 and March 2021 and May 2021 will be end of life ng 1909. So if it comes with 1909, we'll need to update the version as well, the Windows. Okay, ito na. Okay, ang ganda ng packaging. So it comes with itong solid plastic na holder. Okay. And malaki, mabigat. So I think it comes with 16 gig RAM. Unless siya ay CTO customized build. But the basic build will be either 8 gig or 16 gig RAM. Actually with ano bang for inspection. Okay, ganda. Okay. So, kung titingnan nyo, yung web comes with front-facing webcam na meron siyang tawag dito, medyo discrete looking na lock para sa webcam for security purpose. Medyo plastic ang dating niya. Plastic ang build. Front speakers, power button, and then ganda ng keyboard layout, yung chiclet keyboard layout. Merong fingerprint, comes with i7 I think Gen 10. Okay. Keyboard, full keyboard, comes with the numpad keys. Let's try turning it on, pero may re-rebuild ko to gamit yung initial. Wala siyang power. Anyway, so yan siya. Bakit? IOs, meron siyang Thunderbolt. And this is for the Thunderbolt docking. May specific na docking station si Lenovo. Then meron siyang USB 2.0 HDMI connector. Then 3.5 headphone jack. Then pwede mo lagyan ng SIM card. for if you're going to be using the data connection. Other side, may LAN port connector. So built-in na siya. Another USB. In front, wala. Sa ilalim, nothing much. Thinkpad T15 Gen 1. Okay. Tapos may mga vent siya for the exhaust. I haven't tried opening it up kung upgradable ba ang RAM and SSD. Mostly for X1 Carbon naman, ang mga ano nila is soldered na sa motherboard. Pero I haven't checked for T15. This just freshly came in just a few minutes ago. Unboxan natin kagad para mabilisan. So, yeah. Then, quick preview siguro after nito. Okay. Meron siyang speakers just in front of the keyboard and just below the LCD. Looks good. Mostly yung mga ganitong laptops are business laptops. Not really built for personal and gaming. Pero, yeah. Okay. So, yun lang muna. Probably after this, a quick video ng other look ng laptop. Okay? Yun lang muna guys. And see you in the next vlog. Peace.